This is Eric Shaw. This is the MP5 presentation for the team of Eric Shaw, Adam Kunk, and Pete Bowman. I just started. We're I2 CS students, so obviously this is the emulator, but this is the MP5 presentation app, and it has 3 tabs: collection, transmission, and presentation, to meet the requirements of MP5. This is the picture URL and date fields were pre-populated on start. I just picked an image of the Android robot, and the date field gets pre-populated with the current time when you start the app. As you can see, it's about 4 minutes later because it started up before I started recording. At any rate, there's the Save Collection button down at the bottom, and then the path field is where you would put the local directory on the Android itself, where you want the files to be stored. So I'm going to go ahead and populate the path field, and then I'll start this up again. Alright, no big deal, I just populated the path. So I'm going to go ahead and we are going to, we need to pre-pull the longitude and latitude, so I'll set that up real quick. Alright, this is Google Maps in a normal web browser right here. You can see I got Champaign's coordinates, and I just right-clicked on it in Google Maps to get them. So longitude is negative 88.21 and 40.15 is the latitude. So as you can see, I've connected with the telnetting into the Android emulator, and I'm about to enter the geofix command, which is how you pre-seed the emulator with location information. Alright, so we've done that. So if we go over here, you can see it popped up. It pulled it in. So longitude's negative 88.20. There's rounding errors, and latitude showed up as well. So we'll go ahead and save this, and that'll do our collection for us. If it's not too slow. Alright. And the keyboard pops up, obviously, but so we just saved this out to a file. Actually, you know what? I'm going to hit this again and generate a second file. Now, I'll do another geofix. Hang on, I'm going to go ahead and do this one offline here. This will prove we're pulling it in. This will prove we're actually collecting the from the actual GPS itself. So you see that's the latitude and longitude that we just had for University of Illinois. I'm going to go ahead and put my current location in through the telnet shell. Okay, so I just put it in there, and you can see, I'm sorry, it will auto-update. It auto-updates when you hit Save Collection. So the old universe. No, I'm wrong. That is the new ones. That's pretty dumb. Okay. Negative 84, 24, 39, 29 is the new ones. So yeah, it did update. Those numbers looked pretty similar, but this is my new location, so I'll go ahead and save this collection, and then we will have 2 files. Okay. So now we'll go up to the other tab. We're now on the transmission tab. I'll go ahead and type that in without recording it. So this just sets the path. Since we're on the emulator, we don't have Bluetooth, this just sets the path to use in presentation. So now when we go to presentation, it's going to load up our data files. And we use the Google Maps API for this. Alright, the presentation tab open. So you can see, I guess Muncie's probably pretty near University of Illinois. I'm going to go ahead and take this keyboard off here offline, without recording it. So after I did, I realized that was showing us Muncie, Indiana. It's actually zoomed in on us. So you can see Cincinnati's right there, and that's where it put the push pin for the first one. And if we zoom out, we can see the one at University of Illinois as well. having to download the rest of the map. Okay, I had to restart the app. I don't know why it was hanging, but you can see the 2 push pins. There's one right by Cincinnati where I put my location in, and then I populated Champaign. If you can click on these, and it will bring up the push pin data. There you go. Net IDs, we just put all of them in a single text file. I forgot to change it before we started the app, and then you can see the time was 6:13. And then you can click on this image URL. And while that's loading, we'll go ahead and look over here. I'm in the directory already at the Android debug shell. Oh, I guess we'll do ls first. And then we'll cat, there's the 2 files from our location. ed show _000.txt. Oh, cat ed show 2 _123.txt. And there you can see our XML. And over here, activity browser and application is not responding. Oh yeah, it responded. Okay, yeah, that's the image URL. So that all worked, and we can return to the map, and that's our demo of our MP5.